Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about appreciating nature and walking through nature, and I call it the rampage of appreciation, and also how it can help with depression. So if you're interested in this subject, please carry on and watch this video. Thank you. Hello, my name's Loraine and I help people live with passion, purpose and positivity. And in this video I'm going to walk through with you how nature can help with depression. I mean, let's face it, we can walk anywhere, can't we? I'm sure wherever you live there's somewhere where you can walk in nature, and it's just sort of getting out the house, getting out of your own mind, and set an intention that when you're going to walk you're not going to think about anything else other than what is around you, like the trees, the birds, the wildlife. So you're not going to think about anything else that's around you other than what you're seeing. And I do believe if you do this regularly, this will help you with depression. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to talk you through what I'll be thinking. I'll talk out loud. So I'm just where I live locally, and I'm going to turn the video camera around. So I love autumn. I love to hear the birds chirping and hear, and smell the foliage everywhere. I love walking along here. This is called Purwell Meadows, and in the summer there are brown cows here called Jersey cows. So it's really a beautiful area. I'll take you round. Yeah, and can you hear the birds singing? It really is lovely. And it is a damp day today. I don't care. All weather's good to me, it doesn't matter, it's just got to wear the right clothing, I think. So yeah, so along here it's a stream. There's nothing better than walking by a stream, is there? Walking where there's water. I love it. So don't think about anything else, you're just thinking about what you can see in front of you. You're getting out of your mind, you're appreciating nature, you're helping your mental health. So down here is a stream. I think it's all a bit waterlogged because we've been having quite a lot of rain. But it is really lovely. So yeah, so all the foliage, walking through the grass, walking through the bark with my boots on. You hear the birds singing, I can hear the birds singing. I can feel my feet move, sinking into the mud. I love it, I love being out in nature. I love nature, I love feeling nature around me, the grass, the trees, everything. It's all them lovely autumn colours. I feel at one with the world when I'm in nature. No one else is about. It's quite damp and everything, but I don't care. So I'm walking up to this little nature area here where I live. This is only minutes from where I live. I'm sure there's places like this near where you live. There always is, or just a short drive away. It doesn't take much to get outside into the open. So as I say, there's a little nature area, and here's a plaque to tell you about this nature area for Purwell Meadows. It tells you all about the wildlife that's here, which you can't really see all that now, but in the summer and the spring you can see all that. So yeah. So yeah, there's just a little example of how you can get out of your own mind, get into nature, feel at one with the universe. Do it. I do it every day. I don't work, so it is a bit easier for me, but if you work, you can walk to work or go out in your lunch break. There's no excuses. Get out in nature. Get it done. Get out. Feel happier. Have a great day. Bye for now.